Sabi ko kay Regine, gawa ka ng concept. Sabi niya, sandali lang. Tapos naisip na niya. So, she made the basic concept. And then I emailed the concept to Mother. And then, of course, the writing team. And actually, the germ came from Eman's. Di ba, he gave me a basic germ, kung tawagin, this basic idea about the orphanage na nagkahiwalay. And I love that concept. So, from there, pinalaki ni Regine, and then, pinalaki nila. So, yun ang nangyari. Lumaki na lumaki.
Si Ryan, not only with Regine, both of us, we really find Augie and Regine a very true person. Kumbaga, pag magkakasama kasi kami, wala kaming ginawa kundi tumawa ng tumawa. Tapos pag seryoso naman yung usapan, seryoso din. Kumbaga, nakakagawa kami ng sarili nating gimmick ng kami-kami lang. Pero yung masaya lang, hindi bihira kasi yung makahanap ka ng kaibigan sa industriya na pwede mong makausap any time of the day and yung pwede mong tawagan and pwede kang pumunta sa bahay nila at magchichikahan lang kayo. Parang mirror namin sila. Hindi halang mahuhusay ang boses namin sa pag-awit, pero pag kaming dalawa lang naman, paano naman kami kumanta? Pero masaya. Ang sarap kasi nilang katrabaho.
Ryan kind of reminds, of course, hindi kami magkamukha ni Ryan. Iba yung kagwapuhan niya sa kagwapuhan ko. Parang wala nag-react.
Ayun, may nagtapon.
Kaya parang I see myself in him. Of course, he's about 10 years younger than me. But, yung bang, he really wants to create a lot of things. The creativity that I see in Ryan is what I used to see in me. And I hope he's still with me, no? Tapos, pag nakikita ko naman si Duday with Ryan, wala eh. She's so in love. And I think that's the best way to be when you're with your man. You know, you are nothing else but just in love with your man. So, when I see them, I kind of see ourselves too. So, we're muscle bound. Altar bound.
Salamat po talaga ng marami sa muli niyong pagpapaunlak sa imbitasyon namin and we're really hoping to see you again, to see all of you again soon to siguro for a sneak preview of what we did for OMG. Maraming salamat po talaga as usual. Palagi naman kayo nandyan palagi para tumulong sa amin. Ipamalita ang magandang balita.
Juday, salamat ha.
Salamat.
Salamat sa tinanggap mo itong pelikula ito. At of course, salamat din. At syempre sa inyo salamat. Dahil syempre, simulat sa pool kayo naman laging sumusuporta sa amin at tumutulong. Ngayon, here lies the challenge for us to do a film that is worth your time. So, wish us luck. But, we promise you, we will not fail you. So, see you soon.
Siyempre, thank you. Ito po yung unang attempt ko na gumawa ng commercial na pelikula. Thank you for the friendship that gives way para mabigyan ako ng break. So, actually, kabado ako kasi nga para napapag-usapan namin ni Alan yung sophomore na pelikula na usually mahirap itawid. Pero I know with the support of everyone, kung naitawid nga yung Ploning kahit papano, I believe mangyayari din sa project na to. And when I did Ploning, I honestly and without false humility, I think I just know 5% of what filmmaking is all about. And this is another chance to know a little more percentage to be able to get 75 or 80 at the end of this lifetime. So, thank you po.
English.
Can I just add something? I also want to personally thank, of course, Mother Nosel, of course, Tito Alfie. Tito Alfie, thank you very much. Dahil nagpaalam din ako sa kanya nung birthday niya.